This is SmarTrend News. I'm Christy Duffy. Today is Friday, November 19th. This is your closing bell market update. The major U.S. equity indices closed higher today, pulling back from a day filled with losses and a weak financial sector and light selling. Crude oil futures declined 1%, as did the S&P energy sector, which was down by 0.33%. Investors remain cautious over the effects of inflation in China as well as European debt, particularly in Ireland. In corporate news, Yingli Green Energy Holding reported earnings this morning of $68.2 million, or 44 cents per share, on revenue of $490.9 million, a 48% boost year over year. Analysts polled by Thomson Reuters expected earnings of 35 cents per share on revenue of $478.2 million. H.J. Heinz also reported earnings this morning, posting a second quarter EPS of 78 cents per share, coming in ahead of consensus of 76 cents per share. The company's revenue came in at $2.61 billion, which was below estimates for $2.67 billion. And Colbert Kravis Roberts and Company reportedly is discussing an acquisition of Delmont Foods Company for $18.50 per share. Taking a look at where the major U.S. indexes closed this week, the Dow Jones Industrial Average closing 0.2% higher, 11,204 points. The S&P 500 closing 0.25% higher, 1,200. And the Nasdaq Composite closing just over 0.1% higher, 2,518 points. For further updates, stay tuned. You're watching SmarTrend News. I'm Christy Duffy.